For viral news and videos visit www.wowupdates.com. Tuesday is a day to be weather aware. A tornado warning is in effect for parts of Mecklenburg, Cabarrus and Union counties. The warnings are set to expire at 3 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Mecklenburg and Union counties until 2:45 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich said people should treat all severe thunderstorm warnings as if they were tornado warnings and seek shelter. A tornado watch that was issued was allowed to expire around 2 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Chris Justus says the tornado threat for our area is over but remains in other parts of the state. Winds will continue to be between 30 to 40 miles per hour throughout Tuesday night and into Wednesday.